Okay, guys, let's have this powerful boom and crash strategy together and see how we can really make profit in our trading and add more value to our bank account. I'm going to be showing you a strategy that grew $10 account to $100 account with this boom and crash strategy. And I can show you this is 99.9% accuracy sure, win trade. You know, whenever you apply this word, if only you keep to instructions, follow everything you are going to be seeing in this video, trust me, you are going to you're going to be having a winning trade if you're applying this boom and crash strategy. So before I go further to show you all of that, so I also want to say to you to please subscribe to my channel and like my video and turn up your notification for more of my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my video. We are doing all this together to help each other. So the only way I demand help from you is to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you very much for doing that. All right. So I also have some program I run here too. I mean, when I talk about the program, I'm talking about account management program. I'm talking about mentorship program. I'm talking about VIP program. Okay, so any of this program you're interested on, so you can easily call in for that. And how do you call in? You can go to the description of this video. This video you're seeing, and you can check me out. You can check my WhatsApp out there, my WhatsApp number out there. You can check my Telegram link out there. So through those links, through those contacts, you can easily access me. Okay, get access to me. Okay, so I leave it out there. So the VIP I'm talking about, you can also go to the free channel. The free channel Telegram link. You can see some of the results we produced today is there already. I mean, we trade some boom and crash. We cash boom and crash this morning to cash on spike, and we got a lot of spike this morning. We caught a lot of spike this morning. So if you're interested to join the VIP group, you can call in for that and join and win and have more value for your money. All right. So again, the free Telegram link is there where I drop signal once in a while. Okay. So if you're interested, you can also join there and see results and see other things that is happening there. All right. So you can key in for account management, mentorship, and VIP group if you want to join. All right. The account management, it works this way. Whatsoever I will trade out myself because I'll manage the account myself. We are going to split it 50-50 daily. All right. So if you are coming with that, I can tell you how we can go about the conditions that are attached to that too. All right. Thank you very much. At this moment, I also want to let you know that this thing we are doing is so real because if it doesn't work well, I will not want to share it to the public. Okay, this is a very powerful and exciting one in that matter. Okay, that earn you a lot of money. But I also want to let you know to practice this, try this out with your demo account and see how effective it is, and then you can proceed to your live account and make some money. Okay, and one thing I also want to let you know about trading. One, trading requires patience. You know, you have to be patient enough for these things to get to those areas of your interest. So once you get to those areas of your interest, and you can enter from there, and you make profit from there. You make profit. Okay, so just try and always be patient while you're trading. All right. And again, I also want to let you know that in as much I am saying I've placed the indicators here, I also need to watch how the trend of the market, see how the market looks like. I'll go to some higher time frame, like 15-minute time frame, to check what the trend looks like before I can easily place a trade. Okay. So you also need to apply that price action. You need to see what the market looks like, the structure of the market, so you can trade from there. All right. So now, this one I'm trading here is Boom 1000 index. All right. You can see that clearly here on my screen. Okay, I will be deleting this indicator so you can watch me place them and you can do the same thing while you are applying this in your trading. All right, so I'm going to be deleting this out. So I have this. So it's out now. So my chart is now playing, right? So the first indicator I'm going to be adding here now is going to be the alligator indicator, which is found here. So I got it. So this is the parameters. I don't want to make this video too long. So you can take You can take note of this. You can take note of this. All right. You can take note of this and then screenshot these informations so you can apply them. You can easily apply these informations while you're following this boom and crash strategy. So I'm done with this. So take note of this information. So I've got my indicator here now. As you can see the green and red and blue line across my chart. So the next indicator I'm adding here is going to be the commodity channel index, which is here. So you can take note of this information by screenshotting this page and then follow up all of this. So this is the level. This is the level. You can see this is the buy area. You can see this is the sell area. You can see all of that. So I'm done with this. So my setting is now complete. So now what is now left is knowing when to buy and when to sell. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. All right. We're here together. We're doing this together. Okay. So, and there's a VIP community. We're interested to join the VIP and winning trade is always happening down there. So if you're interested to join the VIP, you can join. If you want mentorship, you can call in for that. If you want account management, you can call in for that. All right. So we got you. All right. So, and this is what I am saying. So this is what. So we have to wait for this spike to happen. Because our target, like our select target, 5 candlesticks and make something good and leave the market. But again, this area is our take profit area. All right. So this is once the spike happens and it hits this overbought area, which is this area here in the indicator window, this area here. So once the spike happen like this, like we saw the spike here, and you see this, you got to this area, this bot level, and then we can enter the trade and have our eye set on 5 candlestick, or we can also have our eye set up as TP once it got to this area, once it met to this area, to this line across the chart, so you can short out and make your profit and go out. So this is what I am saying, So this is what I'm saying. So you can see all of that. You can see all of that. You can see that. So let me also turn to crash. This is crash. Let me turn to crash. Okay. So in crash, you want to wait for this to get to this level. You see the spike that came, got to this overbought area. This is the overbought area, this area. So now, started our target, our TP should be here. So once it hit this line, so we are closing out and make profit. You also need to check the trend of the market to see what is going on, what the trend looks like. So this is what I'm saying. So you see all of that. So I am going to be leaving you here. So this is a very powerful strategy that grows $10 account to $100. Okay, it's a very powerful strategy. And I also want to say to you to always apply patience in this business, the business of patience, okay? And also check out the market structure so you don't trade against the market, all right? So all of that is important. Meanwhile, practice this with your demo account first and get used to it, and then you can switch to your life account. But it's a powerful strategy that has been tested and trusted. Has been tested. Okay, has been trusted and tested. Okay, so you can. It's a winning strategy, right? So I believe in you here. I want to say to you, I want to wish you well in your trading and success. Okay, goodbye until we meet again. I hope to see you soon again. Bye for now.